ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to a plant that's not just a garden beauty, but also a powerhouse of health benefit. Goldenrod, Solidago. Goldenrod isn't just a pretty face. It's packed with medicinal wonders. This plant is often used to treat urinary tract infections, respiratory issues, and acts as a natural diuretic. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a go-to for holistic healing. For those of you with a green thumb, goldenrod is quite low maintenance. It needs moderate watering about every 7 to 10 days, and it thrives best in the vibrant seasons of spring and summer. Harvest its leaves and flowers as needed to enjoy its benefits all season long. This sun-loving plant prefers full sunlight, so make sure it gets plenty of rays to soak up. As for the soil, goldenrod likes it well drained and can thrive in sandy or loamy soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. But wait, there's more. Did you know that goldenrod can be a game changer in your herbal medicine cabinet? It can help alleviate allergies, support kidney health, and even reduce muscle pain. It's like having a natural pharmacy right in your backyard. So why not add a touch of sunshine to your garden and wellness routine with goldenrod? Go for gold with goldenrod, nature's sunshine in a plant, your wellness in bloom. How about giving this golden gem a spot in your garden? It's not just a plant, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.